In this lecture, I'm going to give you a quick overview of Xamarin Forms shell. My name is Christian, and this is me just chilling on this picture. Let's start by giving an overview of what is a Xamarin Forms shell. Xamarin Forms shell is an application template that has just one goal, and that goal is to reduce the complexity and time needed to build the Xamarin Forms mobile apps. What it does is that provides a simple way to build common application layouts such as tab bars and side menus. You can get this almost out of the box, and you also have access to URI-based navigation. You can override back button behavior, you have an integrated search handler, etc. With the URI-based navigation, this means that you can quickly define routes between different screens and execute that navigation. Here you can see the side menu we are going to build using Xamarin Forms shell. This kind of menu can be built in approximately 10 minutes if you have all the design ready, and you will agree that this is really fast. Similar, you can implement the tab bars like on this video in 10 to 15 minutes. When you click on a tab bar item, the tab bar color also changes. You're going to see how to accomplish this in the next section. Let me introduce you the appshell.xaml file. This is the central file in the shell template. Why is this file important? Well, I'm glad you asked. This file lets you define your main app layout, side menus, tab bars, navigation routes, and optionally styles for all those components. In your project, you can also have multiple shell files if your application is bigger and you want to divide it into smaller sections. On the image here, you can see an example of the shell file. We use flyout item to define the side menu item and tab for tab bars. Even though the Xamarin Forms shell has no built-in MVVM support, meaning that there is no way to automatically inject view models into the views, we will still use the combination of shell and MVVM to build the fully functional crypto wallet app. I'm going to guide you step by step on how to use the MVVM inside the Xamarin Forms shell. This was an overview of the Xamarin Forms shell, and we best learn new technologies by trying out and coding apps. So let's start with some coding, shall we?